Hi, this is Accutek car audio visual in Winchester. It's a video of a Transporter T6. We've installed a KENWOOD DMX9720XDS into this 10.1 inch screen. Really nice solution for this vehicle. As you can see, you'll get no reflection from the sunlight when that's in. This does move forward and back. It's quite hard to move, but it does move forward and back. I'll turn the volume down. This has got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. It's also got HDMI in and Bluetooth. It's also got rear camera linked up to it. Put it in reverse and you get a rear camera view, which is a really nice facility for this. We've also maintained the USB in the glove box, beside the glove box, for hardwired CarPlay, although it does do wireless CarPlay. All the buttons on the steering wheel control still work. If you'd like to have this done to yours, please give us a call on 01962 886 900. Thanks for watching.